Today we are going to tackle a common Excel issue, preventing duplicate entries. Duplicate entries are a big challenge while working with large dataset. But don't worry, in this video I will show you some simple techniques to keep your Excel sheet free from duplicates. So let's get started. So here I have two sets of data having same mobile numbers in column A and C. You can see in column C I have activated duplicate validation. So you can see if I enter any mobile number that is already exist in the list, it's showing duplicate entry error message. But in column A I did not activate a duplicate validation. That's why I can put any above mobile number over here and it will take that number. See? So now I am going to show you how you can prevent duplicate entries in Excel. So for that, first you need to select the range of cell where you want to prevent duplicate entries. Suppose here up to cell number A20. Now click on the data tab. In the data tools group, click data validation. In the settings tab, select custom from the allow drop down list. Now in the formula box you have to write is equal to count if, open parenthesis, $A, $3. This is the range of cell that is being counted and the $sign make the range absolute. After that colon, again $A and $20. That means here I have made a restriction up to cell number 20. So you can change the cell number according to your need. Okay. So after that comma A3. A3 means the cell in the current row. As you copy the formula down, it checks the value in the current row. Okay. Then close parenthesis is equal to 1. Is equal to 1 means that the value 1 is being returned as the result of the formula if the condition is 2. Okay, so now this formula will check to see if there are already any entries in the range that are equal to the value in the current cell. Okay, so after that switch to the error alert tab. Select the stop option from the style drop down list. In the title box, enter a title for the error message. For an example, I am going to name it duplicate entry. Now in the error message box, enter an error message that will be displayed if the user tries to enter the duplicate value. Okay, so now here I am right. You have already entered that mobile number. Okay, then click on OK. Now Excel will show you this text as soon as you try to enter a duplicate entry into the column. Now if I enter any mobile number that is already in the list, you can see it's showing duplicate entry error message. See, it won't allow duplicate entry. So that's it. So this is how you can prevent duplicate entry in the Excel sheets. Hope you like this video. Please support my channel by giving the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.